Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making Nutella cake. Since I'm a real Nutella fan, I do happen to have quite a few great Nutella recipes. This one is by far one of the most simple and easy one. All you need are a few basic ingredients to whip up this amazing cake. Let me show you how it's done. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease and line a 26 cm springform pan with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 250 grams of softened butter, 200 grams of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat this until the mixture becomes creamy. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Now we can add in the 250 grams of Nutella, 250 milliliters of milk, 6 eggs, 380 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Beat this on medium-high speed just until everything is well combined. We don't want to overmix this. Scrape the sides of your bowl to make sure that everything is well incorporated. This is the consistency we are looking for. We can now pour the mixture into the prepared springform pan. Bake this for 55 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. My cake is done baking. I baked mine for 58 minutes. I will let this cool down completely. I've already transferred my cooled cake onto a serving plate. I'm just going to dust my cake with 1 tablespoon of Confectioner sugar. You can also drizzle chocolate ganache on top to make this look more fancier, or even go all the way by frosting this with a thin layer of Nutella for more intense Nutella flavor. I know this cake looks so simple, but trust me, the flavor and texture is just so insane. This Nutella cake is very soft and moist. The sweetness is just right. I love that this is so easy to prepare and almost impossible to mess up. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye!